Using these 7 simple daily life tips. How to lose weight and be healthy. These days more and more people are getting intellectual rather than physical jobs. Sitting in office chairs all day long has become a norm for many of us. Stress. If you want to lose weight very fast, then a product link is given in the description. Click on and buy from there. Busyness and rush make us forget about regular meals and fill our stomachs with cheeseburgers and sodas, which do nothing good for our body. As a result of such a carefree life rhythm, we rarely get time for exercise, gym or balanced nutrition. As a matter of fact, it is one of the reasons that now more than 60% of US citizens are overweight. These 7 day-to-day life tips below will help you shed your extra pounds, become more energetic and healthier. 1. Drink more water. Our body needs a lot of water. Water removes waste from our organisms and carries various nutrients to all our organs and cells. Your body also loses water by using it in various ways. For this reason, you have to change it and drink water more often than your habit. Start your day with a glass of water in the morning. Drink a glass of water before any meal. Carry a bottle of water with you when you go to work. Your body needs about 3 to 5 liters of water in a day. So don't hesitate to drink plenty of water wherever and whenever you can. For weight loss permanent solution, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. 2. Eat fruits and drink fruit juice. Consuming fruits and juices helps to eliminate toxins from your body. Eating a variety of fruits also helps you get enough fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. So you should eat fresh fruits and drink natural fruit juices as often as possible. Store-bought fruit juices are often sweetened. If you want to drink juice, then make fresh juice yourself. If you think it takes too long, look for juices that say 100% fruit juice. These are healthier for your body as long as they contain a lot of vitamins. 3. Eat lots of vegetables and vegetable salads. When it comes to losing extra pounds, vegetables are a great option. They are natural and contain tons of different vitamins, minerals, and other useful chemicals known to provide benefits for your body. While vegetables are low in fat and calories, they help control blood sugar levels, lower blood cholesterol, and reduce the risk of colon and other cancers. All these features also help in controlling your weight effectively. If you feel that eating vegetables alone is not a good option for you, then make some salads. Mixing vegetables together gives you even more different vitamins and health benefits. There are so many delicious, healthy salad recipes on the internet. You can even use your imagination to make some great salads. 4. Eat only when you are hungry. How many times have you been to a party where you have seen so many different and delicious looking food that you were offered to try? Do not eat because you are given. Eat only when you feel like it. Many people also love snacking between meals or when there is nothing to do. Quit snacking. Most snacks contain a lot of fat and calories. Replace your usual snacks with vegetables or fruits. These are healthy for your body and you will never be fat, only thin. 5. Carry healthy food with you. Many of us have busy office jobs and don't have time to eat regularly. So bring your own cooked food with you, instead of bringing sandwiches with meat. Take vegetable salad, carrot, chicken salad. Any low-fat diet will do. That way, you don't have to wait for a break to fill your stomach. You will have a certain amount of time while eating. It's also important to try to eat about 5 times a day instead of 3 or 2. In small amounts, but more often. It helps you to increase your metabolism. 6. Work when you can. Working out at the gym is a great way to not only develop some muscle, but also drop a few pounds. Exercising helps you burn your calories instead of storing them as fat in your body. Our bodies were made to be active. So exercising slowly and smoothly can actually help you have more energy and make you feel better. At the end of the week, try to cut down on all the stress and burn your calories by doing some sort of physical activity at the gym or at home. If you have time, try to do easy exercises every day. 7. Don't lie down or sit when you can move. To get more weight loss solution videos, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you see like to next. If you like our video work, please share our video to your friends.